back with another video, guys. So start like that notification bell and let's get right into it. But yeah, I think I might know how to forge. I think I might figure it out. I think I have figured it out. I'm not for sure, but I think I have figured it out. That's for sure. Why does my voice sound like that? It's definitely not gonna sound like I get older, but damn. But what's going on again here, guys? And today I'm gonna I think I know how to do, you know? I think I know what to do. I think you just buy a bunch of blades and then pit them all together, pit like two together to create one. And I think that's how you upgrade. Not for sure, but let's at least try that because I'm rich. Guys, if you don't know, I'm pretty rich, you know. Let's buy weapons. Hunter's knife. No. And, okay. Let's upgrade. Level 2 one. But how do you get it to Quake? Let's see. But guys, I think we need to collect these matters. Don't can harm it, so we need to collect these matters. How do we go to matter to? That's my question. Guys, leave the comments below. And yeah, if y'all don't know, I have challenged the mother YouTube. A challenge. Who can upload the fastest? Bro, do not take this as offensive when I said, don't act like stuff like that. Do not take that as offensive. I was just saying that, to let you know. I need a challenge around somebody who can defend. See, my challenge. And I'm going to try to firebend right here. See, I'm firebending. And I'm water bending at the same time. It's impossible. Did it? Let's go. Y'all might should know that. So. What happens if we like put a little soul into it? What happens? XP grind up 15%. Okay, let's see what's going on. Azuli. You guys, shake it up time. Say do y'all know how fast 11 minutes actually goes? Y'all know? Play ball, you're already done. Yeah, boy, but let's see how much XP you give us. Even though you're literally one who's supposed to give us the littlest XP ever. But, yeah, let's just see who is. just to see how, like, what this episode gonna do. We didn't even get it. You gotta be kidding me. We didn't even get XP. You must be going crazy. Cause we didn't even get XP. They're going crazy, man. Cause we didn't. Whatever, let's just get down here. Go to the trees area. Oh, we might pick up an egg on the way. That felt like the rarest thing I've ever seen in days. Was he always there like that? I think there is a way to get up there to him, and then you have to steal all the stuff up there while he's sleeping. But sometimes you'll find him up. Like, he won't be sleeping, you know? But where's this bear dude? There he is. Ooh, and a rare egg symbol. You might get that. Boy, Jet, come on. Where did I get Big Boy Jet from my third grade? You caught that Big Boy Jet and smacked the back of each person's back of their head and called him Big Boy Jet. If you're short and you're like, how old? You're like really old. I say about like 9 or 10 or 8, and before they would call you that, but I don't think they do that in y'all school probably. Our school is pretty new school, okay? They do this weird stuff. I'm new school all the way, okay? Y'all ask me about some, I don't even know, but yeah. We gotta run. Hey, we got some good XP actually. And we gotta return to board. I'm just gonna check out this bird thing real quick, you know? Don't say long thing, you know? Real quick, Raven. We'll be in and out. We'll be in and out. Hey, big monster. Oh, he followed me. So there, a second ago, they was playing like Japanese music. So. I don't think I heard it. I heard it. So bad. Oh, air showdown, guys. Let's do this. Oh. Let's go, bro. You're done. Oh! Whack and whack. Yeah, good. The power and let's destroy it. But in the next video, we will check out that bear game. Let's just get this egg and get out of here. And I'm pretty sure you already know the title. Air Showdown, boy! I think we got a ruby crystal, it says. Probably. Yeah, ruby crystal. Pretty cool to know, I guess. Ruby crystal. Yeah, he's out cold. Let's collect that oil real quick. Come on, wake up, let's do it. Come on, I want one of his eggs. Okay, let's go. Yeah, boy. Next video, we'll check out that bear's den. And we'll take down that little drone. Let's just go and save our progress and take down that drone next week. And there will be a next video in this day, because y'all know, like, I make 3 videos a day. But no, we're going to have to bring it to 5, because y'all know I'm challenging Gym Ninja Warriors. Who can make the most video uploads? So y'all probably see, like, hundreds of videos coming out. But yeah, I hope you're ready for that challenge. But peace out, guys.